Hey, if you need more content but you don't know what to write about, you need more leads, you need more buyers, you need to be more active on social media, on your email list, on your blog, but you don't know what to write about, and you just find yourself staring at a screen for 10 minutes or maybe for 30 minutes, and you're just wasting time. I've got a fix for you, and it's called Notion AI. And what you're looking at right now is a template that you can download for free on the Notion website for a customer journey map. And ignore the template, focus on what I'm about to show you, because what you're looking on right here is a way to track content ideas. When you want to create marketing collaterals for social media posts, for newsletters, for blogs, whatever, consistently you have to separate ideation from writing. And that's what we'll talk about today, ideation. We can be creative at will nowadays by using AI. We don't need to wait for the creative juices to flow anymore. We don't need to be in flow, as they call it. We can be creative whenever we need to be. And that is because we now can use Notion AI. And this works with similar tools too, but I just love Notion because it's only $10 a month, even if you have the free account. So it's way cheaper than Jasper and ChatGPT and all those things. And it is really, really good. So what I would encourage everybody who's pressed for time, but who needs to be present on social media to do is create an account at Notion. The link is below the video. Upgrade for the $10 a month plan to go with Notion AI. Set up a content calendar like this, and I'll have another video on how to do this. And then what you want to do is you want to follow along. So obviously you need to understand who your target audience is in order for this to work, but I would assume you do. And you can now ask Notion AI to create content ideas for you. Here's how you do this. You simply click space or press space, and then you have all these suggestions what you could do with AI. And one of them is brainstorm ideas. And here's what we'll do. Brainstorm ideas on social media content for a marketing advisory that teaches busy entrepreneurs how to use AI for their marketing activities to speed up their processes. This is exactly what I'm doing in my own business, so it's quite easy. And here are the ideas. Create a short series of short social media videos that showcase how AI can automate and streamline marketing tasks. Exactly what we're doing right now. Share infographics, develop a social media contest to share their own stories of how AI helped them streamline their marketing processes. Create a social media campaign showcasing case studies of entrepreneurs, share blog posts. This is all good, but this is not tangible. This is no idea that I can write a post about straight away. So let's try this again with a slightly different angle. Create 10 ideas for a LinkedIn post on how to use Notion AI for mapping out a content plan. So you obviously have to know what you want to talk about, and this will always be related to what you sell. It will always be related to your brand, to your offering. No rocket science. This is not creative. What is creative is what Notion just did. For example, I can write a post about identifying gaps in my content plan and suggesting topics to fill them. So let's actually go ahead with this. We'll put this as an idea into the articles because this is really good. Analyze your audience, create content that resonates with them. This can also be a post because I can create a buyer persona. I can create a marketing persona that's matched right here in this template. Notion AI can optimize my SEO, create a content calendar, repurpose existing content, collaborate with your team on content creation. So the only thing that's probably wrong here is tracking performance, because obviously Notion AI is not a tool to track your social media marketing performance. But keep in mind that AI is just that it is a tool. It's not going to be right 100% of the time. And in fact, you just want to use it as a kickstart, really. So what we are going to do right now is we'll take this one and we'll actually make it write a plan, write a post. So what we do is write a LinkedIn post about following the AIDA copywriting principle. Make the post engaging to read, not clickbaity, and suitable, and write it so that a 10-year-old can understand it. Now we'll see what it comes up with. Are you struggling to come up with new ideas for your content? Notion AI has got you covered. With our innovative technology, we can help you identify gaps in your content plan, suggest topics to fill them. Obviously, it's now writing from the perspective of Notion, which I wish I was the inventor of Notion. But what I can do is with their innovative technology, Notion AI, or maybe with its, the AI power tool uses advanced algorithms to analyze existing content, identify areas where you could use some fresh ideas. You'll be amazed how easy it is. That's not all Notion AI, so we have to rewrite this, of course. Also provides you with detailed insights into your audience's interests and preferences. With Notion AI, you can take your content game to the next level. Don't let a lack of ideas hold you back. Try Notion AI today and test the results. See the results for yourself. Your audience will think about it. Okay, now what we do is identify gaps in the content above and give me 5 ideas for complementary LinkedIn articles I could write. So I actually want to put it to the test. I want to see if it can create these or identify these content gaps. And there are no gaps in the content to identify. But here are 5 ideas for LinkedIn articles that could be complementary. Power of storytelling in content marketing. Create a successful content strategy. Benefits of incorporating video. Do's and don'ts of writing effective headlines. Top trends in content marketing for 2021 and beyond. Here's a clear identicator that it has only been trained until 2021 and that you need to fact check dates and stuff like that. But these are all more ideas that I could use and put my own spin on them. So what I can do is I can write an article, storytelling with AI, because of course my focus is AI marketing. I could also have this article, content strategy, how to use AI to create a successful content strategy. Boom, there we go. So you can see the ideas are now filling up, and I'm literally just making these up for this video. This is not, it hasn't been prepared. I've just been working through this plan, and I thought I'd create a quick video and document what I'm doing. But this definitely goes into a LinkedIn post. So let's see, I don't have Instagram actually, but we'll rename this to LinkedIn. I'm not using Instagram. Make this a little bit bigger. Notion AI for LinkedIn. Post in here. And the type is LinkedIn. And there we go. So it's not showing up here because I have to reconfigure the column, but I don't care about that right now. This is how you can use Notion AI to create your content. I could literally take this post right here, rewrite it a little bit more, and then put it out on my LinkedIn profile, and it would be good. And in the first comment, I could, for example, link to this video and then drive people back to this video and build my authority that way. So it's really easy if you get the hang out of this, you need to spend the time to learn how to use AI. Otherwise, you will be left behind. And check the description of this video, because there's a course that will shortcut your path to creating really, really good content with AI. And I'm looking forward to seeing you inside that course. If you want to take AI to the next level, if you want to implement it to your business, this is the best way to do it.